Hello everyone, my name is Mila Tejamaya. On behalf of my research team, Kania Fiantina, myself, and Baiduri Widanako, I would like to give you a presentation regarding our research on ergonomic risk assessment and prevalence of musculoskeletal disorder among workers at two types of tofu small industries in Tangerang City, Indonesia. My presentation consists of 5 parts, which you can see on the screen. To start off, I would like to present the introduction on ergonomic and musculoskeletal disorder. So ergonomic is the study of interaction between people and machine and the factors that affect the interaction. In ergonomic, humans are the center of attention and acknowledged as the most important elements of work system. If there is a lack of harmony between workers and their workplace system, injuries or disorders on the muscles, nerves, joints, cartilage, and spinal disc may occur, which is known as musculoskeletal disorder. Musculoskeletal disorder, or MSDS, is one of the most common work-related diseases according to the report from US and UK. And there are 3 sets of musculoskeletal disorders risk factors, namely physical factors, individual factors, and psychosocial factors, according to number of theories. In tofu factories, various machinery working processes which require different physical postures from the workers may lead to musculoskeletal disorders. In this study, we would like to compare the ergonomic hazard exposure level among traditional and relatively more modern tofu factory workers to assess the risk level of MSDS. We would also like to provide recommendation for a more ergonomic working process and postures to prevent the incidence of musculoskeletal disorder among workers. Here are the steps of tofu production in traditional tofu factory. Similarly, here is the production of tofu in a more modern production process, production of silken tofu still in the same city, Tangerang City, Indonesia. The pump system is used to help transport the grinded soy milk or soy porridge from cooking process to the filtering process. Tofu product is wrapped in a plastic bag or plastic containers and then sealed. However, before it is packed, the tofu is heated in a water bath. Here is the methodology of our study. Our study was a cross-sectional conducted at 2 traditional tofu industries and 1 silken tofu factory. 52 respondents voluntarily participated in this study, consists of 42 males and 10 males. The exclusion criteria of this study are workers who had been in an accident prior to the study. Then the data was collected by observation and interviews using a quick exposure check and Nordic body map. The data were analyzed to figure out the total exposure level or X value. And then we also calculate the risk level by comparing the X value with the X max value, which is X max value is 176 for manual handling task and X max is 162 for other tasks. In this study, we found that MSDS prevalence in both traditional and silken tofu factory was quite high. More than 50% of workers reported their upper back, lower back, and right shoulder pain in the last 12 months. Neck, left shoulder, and right wrist pain were also raised by respondents from traditional tofu factories. Here is the finding of ergonomic hazard exposure level and MSDS risk level in traditional tofu factories. Ergonomic hazard exposure level was dominated by high level, but there are also very high exposure level to the back and shoulder or arm, body region in grinding process. Then to the neck, then to the wrist or hand in filtering activities, and also to the neck during coagulating activities. We found very high MSDS risk level in grinding and filtering process in traditional tofu factories, as you can see on the screen. On the other hand, Lower exposure level of ergonomic hazard was found in silicon tofu factories, a more modern factory. Very high level of ergonomic hazard exposure in heating process led to very high risk of MSDS during heating activities. This was due to large and deep water baths, which forced workers to extend their back. So, in conclusion, we found that the prevalence of MSDS among tofu factory workers in the last 12 months was high at both traditional and silicon tofu factories. In traditional tofu factories, very high musculoskeletal disorder risk were found in the grinding and filtering activities. On the other hand, in silicon tofu factories, risk of MSDS for both grinding and filtering activities were lower than traditional factories due to reducing the size of soybean bucket during grinding process and using pumping system for soy filtration. Yet we found very high risk of MSDS at silicon tofu heating process due to the usage of oversized heating bath. Therefore, our recommendation would be to reduce the size of soybean bucket to decrease the load carried by workers, to implement the pumping system in filtering process to substitute manual handling, and it is also important to reduce the size of heating bath to prevent workers' awkward posture in silicon tofu factories. Thank you for your attention, and we would like to welcome your questions.